You go to Europe and so forth and they hear Jamaica. To them, it's really like a first world Caribbean country. They think of it as the same thing as the Cayman Islands and so forth. So I think the Jamaican people don't really realize our, I guess we can call it clout, or the intangible asset that we have as a culture. I think it goes further than we really exercise it to be. You know, I think that going somewhere overseas and saying I'm Jamaican can really get you a job.
Being Jamaican, no, it can't be Jamaican. You know, represent Jamaica. Represent Jamaica is you walk, you talk, the way you live, the way you associate. And it's just all about putting your culture and your heritage in some sense first. You know, when you interact with people, you try to put that your best foot out there to say, we are not like everyone else, you know. Try to set yourself apart in a good way. You know.
With all these things, you would think that Jamaica is a paradise. But it's a country like any other, and just like any other country, they have their faults and problems that they face as well.
So let me ask you, what does being Jamaican mean to you?
At this point?
At this point?
Because I'm not another individual born to a country that you wish that you hope to see. Probably before, whether if I'm still here, if I might choose to migrate, whatever the case is, better fit for the country. You know, as being Jamaican, I don't know, it's sort of funny. It's sort of harsh to say, but you know, it's like you feel special, but you don't feel so special at the same time. Overseas investors who will probably be able to get some factories up or work up people in the inner city so that they overseas currency. And that is what is meeting us right now. Currently we have nothing. We have nothing to offer except borrow money or tourism, where people come to visit.
So let me ask you, what wakes you up every day? What makes you go to work and try?
Family.
I'm a bit uncomfortable and a bit mixed feelings because a few times, I'm actually going down in the next 2 days still, but the last few times I've been there, the state of emergency and the soldiers, them, what them call them, Zozo, that definitely make me feel a little bit uncomfortable because like that's a sweet Jamaica where I want to carry my American friend them, I want to carry my youth them go experience the life of me experience growing up. I say be a soldier, I'm not used to them something there. So it's like, the state where they're right now is like, I think the internet has a lot to do with it. The internet definitely have a lot to do because people say people overseas, whether it's US, Canada, or England, where anywhere in the world other than Jamaica, they see certain things go on and they want to do it, they want to copy it, and it's a sense of people want to just outdo someone. There's no helping hand anymore. Remember one time you can't just go anybody yard and get some food. No, you go somebody yard get some food, them gonna tell the next person, say, yo, you know, say, just come some food, and it just create animosity. It's a lot of mixed feelings because on that end you have the greed and the crime and the bad vibes and everything, but on the other end, where I'm from in White House, it's being highly developed right now, very, very developed. I'm thinking of fixing up my property down there, and there's a lot of different communities that I'm seeing built, like newly built houses. Airbnb is a big thing on my scheme in South Sea Park right now, so it's mixed feelings. Yeah, on some hand, I don't like what I'm going with the crime and the greed of people trying to impress or just a quick come up. Nobody wants to work for it no more. The quickness of getting what you want in life, it's starting crime. So that's not good. But on the other end, it's still booming as a country, it's developing. So the development part and the growth of the country, I love that. But the crime and the fast going, I don't like that. And I think it's a lack of the opportunity still. If opportunity creates itself, you know, then I don't think we'd have that. But